Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a comparison of two powerful content management systems for 2025, Strapi and Payload. Whether you're a developer looking for flexibility or a business owner searching for the perfect CMS, this video will break down all the features, performance, and differences between the two. Let's jump into it. First, let's talk about Strapi. Strapi is an open-source, headless CMS that's been gaining a lot of traction, especially for its flexibility and ease of integration. One of its main selling points is that it allows you to create and manage content while giving developers full control over the API. This means you can use Strapi with any front-end technology, whether it's React, Vue, or Angular. The community support is robust, and it comes with a built-in admin panel that's user-friendly, making it a great choice for both developers and content editors. Strapi is great for those who want a CMS that's completely customizable and can be extended with plugins. Plus, it has both free and paid versions, so there's something for everyone, from hobby projects to enterprise-level applications. The pricing structure for Strapi is clear, with added features available in the enterprise version. However, some users report a steeper learning curve for those unfamiliar with headless CMS setups. But once you get the hang of it, it's incredibly powerful. Now let's move on to Payload. Payload is another headless CMS that offers a lot of features for developers who want complete control over their content management system. What sets Payload apart is its focus on flexibility and customizability. It allows you to create custom content models and defines the data structure however you like. You get complete control over the database, which is perfect for more complex projects where you need things to be just right. One of Payload's standout features is its easy-to-use, intuitive interface, which is simple but still highly powerful. It also supports built-in user authentication, roles, and permissions, which can be a huge plus for businesses looking for advanced security features out of the box. As an added bonus, it's backed by an active and growing community, which helps with troubleshooting and new features. When comparing both CMS options, ease of use. Strapi is well known for its user-friendly admin panel, making it great for teams and businesses. Payload is very intuitive, though it may take more time to fully configure, and especially if you want deep customization. Customization. Both Strapi and Payload offer deep customization options, but Payload is more flexible with how you can manage data structures and API endpoints. Strapi has a vast plugin ecosystem that makes it easy to add new features without touching the code base. Community and support. Strapi has a large open-source community, a ton of documentation, and paid support for businesses. Payload's community is smaller, but it's growing fast, and the developer documentation is solid for getting started. Pricing. Strapi offers a free tier with premium paid versions based on usage. Payload also has a free version and offers paid tiers with more advanced features, especially for enterprise needs. Best for. Go with Strapi if you want a CMS that's highly flexible, easy to integrate with various technologies, and has great community support. Choose Payload if you need complete control over the content model and database, with an easy-to-use interface that's perfect for developers who want flexibility without complexity. To wrap things up, both Strapi and Payload are excellent headless CMS options in 2025, but the choice ultimately comes down to your specific needs. If you're looking for flexibility and ease of use with a strong community, Strapi is the way to go. However, if you want deeper customization and a cleaner, developer-focused setup, Payload could be the better choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you've used either Strapi or Payload in your projects. Catch you in the next one.